Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream using Oreo cream. First, let's prepare our base. Carefully twist apart about 24 Oreo cookies and scrape the white cream filling into a microwave-safe bowl. Discard the cookie wafers or save them for another delicious treat. This concentrated Oreo cream will be the foundation of our new, richer frosting. We'll also need some unsalted butter and powdered sugar. Now let's get melting. Pop your bowl of Oreo cream into the microwave for about 15 seconds. You want it softened, not completely liquid. Once it's warm and pliable, add 4 tablespoons of softened, unsalted butter. Use a spatula or a spoon to mix these two ingredients together until they are completely smooth and uniformly combined. This creates a rich, flavorful base for our frosting. Next, we'll add sweetness and body to our cream. Gradually incorporate about 1 cup of powdered sugar into your Oreo and butter mixture. Start with half a cup and then add more as needed. Mix continuously until the frosting becomes smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, you can add a tiny splash of milk. If it's too thin, add a bit more powdered sugar. Aim for a spreadable consistency. And there you have it. Your delicious, homemade cream crafted from Oreo filling is now ready to elevate your desserts. This rich, sweet frosting is perfect for spreading on cupcakes, filling cakes, or even as a delightful dip for fruit or cookies. For best results, use it fresh. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.